Hello!
Hello.
I'm Nurse Elaine. How are you today?
Fine.
What's your name?
Cassandra D. Ramos.
How old are you? 5. You're 5 years old. How many sisters and brothers do you have?
Brother.
How many brothers?
1.
You have one brother. Okay. What food do you like to eat?
Chicken.
Chicken? What else?
Spaghetti
And?
and dog.
Oh, spaghetti and hot dog. How about ice cream? You don't know. Okay. What's your favorite subject in school? What grade are you now?
House. House.
What?
House.
House? You don't go to school?
Yes. Yes.
What grade? Are you a nursery student? Kinder.
Kinder.
Kinder. Where?
South Jay's Angel Learning Center.
Where?
Sundance.
Okay. What are your hobbies? Do you sing? Dance? Okay. Give me a sample. Okay. Dancing skill. Come on. Come on, give me a sample. Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up? Anong gusto mo paglaki mo? Gusto mo bang maging teacher, nurse, doctor?
Doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Why?
Kasi para magaling siya.
Para
Magaling
gumaling.
ang mga bata.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your time. This is Nurse Elaine for the Computer Children Club. Bye-bye!
Bye.